Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into automation platforms Make.com, N8N, Gumloop, Gohighlevel, and Zapier. We tested all of them to see which one is the best tool right now. Zapier is the most popular, with thousands of integrations and a super intuitive interface. The downside is that it gets expensive quickly, especially if you automate multiple workflows. Make.com is powerful for visual workflow building. It allows more complex automations than Zapier at a better price point. The drag and drop design makes it beginner friendly but also scalable. N8N is open source, which is huge for developers and those who want customization. It's free to self-host, but it does require technical know-how to get the most out of it. Gumloop is newer but great for fast, simple automations. It doesn't have as many integrations as the bigger players, but it's improving quickly and works well for smaller teams. Gohighlevel is more of an all-in-one marketing and CRM platform with automation built in. If you're running a business and want email, funnels, and automation together, it's powerful, but it's not for everyone since it's more business-oriented. In short, Zapier is easiest, Make.com is the most flexible for non-developers, N8N is best for technical users, Gumloop is up and coming, and Gohighlevel is perfect for businesses. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.